Ballet Barre Preparation for Veloppe. Cecchetti Ballet Grade 2 Syllabus Course. Jacklyn Dougherty. Face the bar, feet in first position combination. Counts 1 to 2. Introduction, hold the position. Counts 3, 4, place the hand on the bar. Counts 1, 2, retire the right foot to start of the left calf muscle or side of the knee. Counts 3, 4, developpe to second, maintaining thigh placement. Counts 5, 6, return leg to retire position. Count 7, 8, lower into first position. Counts 9 to 32, repeat 3 more times with alternating legs. The heel is brought forward as the working foot slides up the supporting leg. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.